Hi guys, Yang here and I'm back with another step-by-step tutorial. This is all about another Telegram mini bot which is Kururu Ranch. This is under Roni network if you're not familiar with the network yet. So madali lang din siya guys, just like the previous Telegram bots na tutorial natin. Same process lang din. So visit muna natin yung website nila. So website kururu.com. Let's see what is this project all about. So, ito guys. Makita nyo naman agad dito. If you want to explore the website, you can also, ayan, makita nyo dito sa menu, yung all about the projects like team, yan, may mga FAQs. Kururu Beast is a multi-dimensional gaming ecosystem. In the world of Kururu, you own the assets you play with and can take them with you across all of our games. So, yung use case, yung main use case ni Kururu Beast is all about gaming. So, you can, it's like play to earn, ayan, play to earn crypto projects. Guys, ito yung iba-ibang games na available kay Kururu Beast. So, meron silang Kururu Ranch, which is ito yung nilalaro natin ngayon, which is live na. Kururu Ranch is a Tamagotchi-style beast farming game. So, you have to take care of your Kururu Beast, pet it, feed, and level it up while improving your ranch. Next, my Kururu Wilds, Call of the Islands, which is launching soon. Then, Kururu Ancients, your Kururu identity, or your identity with the Kururu ecosystem. Register for the raffle. Paraffle naman nila ito, guys. Then, Kururu Beast Brawl. Face off in the battle arena against players from around the globe in this free PvP web-based game. Launching soon. Kuru Airdrop. This is all about the Kururu Beast Airdrop. Ang tokens nila is Kuru. It is the native token powering the Kururu Beast ecosystem. It has a fixed supply of 1 billion. Yes, 1 billion tokens. The token is set to launch in 2024 with constantly expanding use cases within the Kururu universe designed to enhance player experiences. Yun guys. So, if you are watching this video right now, make sure na i-farm or i-grind nyo rin si Kururu Beast kasi this 2024 na maglo-launch yung Kuru tokens nila or airdrop. Yan. So, Kuru will be distributed amongst participants of the Play to Airdrop. Participation in this Play to Airdrop is 100% free. No purchases required. Ayun, ito guys, ang maganda sa games na to is that you don't need to purchase using money, our own money. You don't need to spend. But this is 100% free. So, this is free to play to earn na airdrop. Ang galing, diba? The higher your level and rank in the airdrop, the more Kuru and other bonuses you will receive. Kailangan natin mag-play araw-araw if you have extra time naman or free time. May isang oras tayo na free time every day. Mag-play tayo nito kasi magandang project to guys sa Ronin. So, marami din mga pumapaldo na projects or airdrops sa Ronin. Ayan. Try natin i-grind to, malay natin isa ito sa mga airdrop project na makakapaldo dito. Let's start now with the airdrop. Let's just click the play. Meron naman tayong daily or welcome back, welcome bonus, daily bonus, ayan. So, meron na akong 292 na tokens. Ito lang naman ginawa ko, play. Ito guys, ang nila game. Play to earn yan. Pwede nyong laruin yan. Dito naman sa quest guys, ito yung mga special tasks nila where we can do and earn additional tokens. So, for example, ito, sa first task natin is just i-connect lang natin yung Twitter. So, click lang natin yung connect. Oops. Follow us on Twitter. Pero hindi siya gumagana. Oh no. How about na lang yung ibang task? Play to airdrop explanation. Sa TikTok naman to. Ito guys, parang
Play to earn and airdrops are big in Web3 gaming, but people often confuse them. Let's clear things up.
TikTok videos.
You know free to
And after you watch that or you do the task, check lang natin. Check para maklaim yung tokens. Please wait 15 to 30 minutes pala. After you do the task, maghihintay lang kayo ng 15 to 30 minutes para maklaim nyo yung points na na-earn nyo dun sa task. Then, strategic investment sa Twitter. Ewan ko ba't yung Twitter hindi talaga siya na nagpo-proceed. Pero sa ibang naman, account like this one. Let's try YouTube.
Play to earn and airdrops are big in Web3 gaming, but people often confuse them. Let's clear things up.
Okay na siguro yan. Sa Play to, ayan, hindi pala to, iba pala to. YouTube. Ayan, check lang. Ayun nga guys, 15 to 30 minutes after natin magawa lahat ng task. Pwede nyong gawin guys ha, pwede nyong gawin lahat ng task na nandito. Optional naman yan kung gusto nyong gawin, kung gusto nyo talagang makarami ng points, pwede nyong gawin lahat. Pero kung nahirapan kayo or hindi nagpo-proceed tulad nito sa Twitter na hindi naman siya gumagana, babalikan natin yan mamaya. Follow us on TikTok. Gawin nyo lang muna yung task na mas madali at yung functional. Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Join. Ayan. Ayan guys, babalikan ko na lang mamaya yung Twitter and then yung mga tasks na natapos ko after 15 to 30 minutes para ma-receive ko siya. Dito naman guys sa upgrades, once you have tokens, kasi right now I have 355, pwede kayong mag-upgrade para mas madami yung coins na mamamine nyo. Or, ayan, tulad nito, 7 plus 7 coins per hour pag bumili ako nito. This is worth 1 coin, so I will buy. Oops. Ubusin ko lang yung coins ko para mas dumami yung mamamine na tokens, diba? Pwede nyo rin i-upgrade yan kung marami kayong tokens. Meron lang naman siyang okay. Tulad dito guys, since I have upgraded my cards, ito, may mga cards dito na boost ko. Right now, I will get plus 603 coins per hour. At dito naman sa play, pwede kayong mag-play ulit. I-click nyo lang yan, no shards. Uy. I-click nyo lang tong bilog naman, yung bola, para sa energy. Ayan, plus 1 energy. Ganyan lang. Yan lang guys. Madali lang naman yung laro niya. Pwede nyo rin i-try natin sa Twitter. Pwede rin kayong sumali sa sa mga social media accounts nila like Twitter at Telegram para if you have questions about the project, you can always ask the team members. Yan. They have 398,000 followers right now. So, Creature Collecting Gaming Ecosystem. Yan, magiging to guys. Marami silang, for sure, marami silang mga games na paparating. So, tulad nito, ayan. Ganito yung games nila. So, so far maganda naman yung laro nila. Di ka naman maboboard. Yan lang. Ganyan lang guys kadali yung play nila. So, you can also invite your friends. Kapag marami kayong mga friends na gusto rin maglaro, you can also invite and share your referral link to them. And if they signed up using your referral link, you will get additional bonus. So, yan guys. Pwede kayong, you can earn more tokens by playing games, upgrading this mga tools, and then invite your friends, do the task for more tokens. Yun lang guys, and if you want more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, and especially if you're a beginner, you can also subscribe to my channel. And if you have questions about crypto airdrops, you can always ask your questions down below. Ask your questions or just comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is Yang. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.